battle between machines and creativity. The intersection of art and technology has sparked an ongoing debate about the nature of creativity and the role of artificial intelligence, AI, in artistic expression. As AI continues to evolve, we are witnessing the emergence of machines capable of producing artwork that rivals, and sometimes even surpasses, human creativity. But can AI truly create art, or is it merely mimicking human processes? In this video, we'll delve into the capabilities of AI in the realm of art, the implications for artists and society, and the ongoing conversation about the essence of creativity. Understanding AI in art creation. AI art refers to artwork generated or assisted by algorithms, machine learning, and neural networks. At its core, AI art utilizes vast data sets of existing artworks to learn patterns, styles, and techniques employed by human artists. Here are some key components of AI art creation. AI art often relies on neural networks, which are computational models inspired by the human brain. One prominent example is generative adversarial networks, GANs, where two neural networks, the generator and the discriminator, compete against each other. The generator creates images based on input data, while the discriminator evaluates and provides feedback on the generated images, leading to continuous improvement. This process allows AI to produce increasingly sophisticated art. Another fascinating technique in AI art creation is style transfer. This involves applying the style of one image to the content of another, resulting in a new artwork that combines elements from both. For example, AI can take the brushwork of Van Gogh and apply it to a photograph, creating a unique piece that echoes the artist's style while presenting new content. Notable examples of AI-generated art. As AI technology has advanced, so has its ability to create stunning pieces of art. Here are some notable examples. In 2018, an AI-generated portrait titled Edmond de Bellamy, created by the Paris-based art collective Obvious, made headlines when it was auctioned at Christie's for an astounding $432,500. The portrait was produced using a GAN that analyzed thousands of portraits from various art history periods, culminating in a piece that raised questions about authorship and creativity. Beyond visual art, AI has also made significant strides in music composition. For instance, AIVA, Artificial Intelligence Virtual Artist, is an AI composer that creates original soundtracks for films and video games. AIVA has been trained on a vast data set of classical music, enabling it to compose pieces that resonate with human emotions and styles. OpenAI's DALL-E is another revolutionary AI that generates images from textual descriptions. Users can input phrases like a two-headed flamingo playing chess, and DALL-E will create a corresponding image. This ability to transform textual ideas into visual art showcases AI's creative potential in an entirely new light. The debate, can AI truly create art? The rise of AI-generated art has sparked a heated debate about the nature of creativity. Here are some key arguments on both sides of the discussion. AI can generate artwork that challenges traditional forms and styles, pushing boundaries and creating novel pieces that may not have emerged from human art. addressed issues of ownership, attribution, and the responsible use of AI in the creative process, ensuring that the rights of artists are respected while embracing the possibilities AI offers. AI and cultural representation in art. As AI-generated art becomes more mainstream, questions surrounding cultural representation and diversity arise. The datasets used to train AI models often reflect existing biases and imbalances in the art world. This can lead to a lack of representation for marginalized voices and cultures in AI-generated artworks. Here are some critical considerations regarding cultural representation in AI art. AI systems learn from large datasets, which may predominantly feature the works of well-known Western artists or certain styles. This lack of diversity can result in AI-generated art that fails to accurately represent the richness of global cultures and artistic traditions. Artists and technologists are beginning to address these biases by curating more inclusive datasets, but challenges remain. To combat these issues, there is a growing movement within the art community to promote diverse voices in AI art creation. By involving artists from various backgrounds in the development of AI art tools and training datasets, the art generated can better reflect a broader spectrum of cultural narratives. This collaborative effort not only enriches AI-generated art, but also fosters a more equitable art world where underrepresented artists gain visibility and recognition. As we look towards the future, the interplay between AI and art is poised to deepen. With advancements in technology, we can expect a more collaborative approach where artists and AI work together to explore new creative horizons. While the challenges surrounding bias, representation, and authenticity must be addressed, the potential for AI to enhance and enrich the art world is vast. By fostering an inclusive environment and embracing innovative technologies, we can pave the way for a future where art continues to inspire, challenge, and connect us all.